For all my eggnog lovers, y'all see the price of eggnog, right? That shit's at $18, almost $20 for a quart of eggnog. So I googled a recipe and fuck it, we gonna make that shit at home.
Like a dream that never drops. In your eyes the stars align. Every moment you are mine. Soft as silk, your touch so kind. You're the treasure that I find. You're the most beautiful